Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education. Sorry, I'm checking if my mic is on. Careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today, I want us to look at platforms where you can get some education for free. Some of them, they are not totally free, but they are quite reasonable. And what I like about the first platform that I'm going to talk about, you can access the courses for free. So you don't need to have money upfront for you to get the course material, right? And then after that, if you want certification, that's where you have to pay something around 600 rand. I know people who have paid around 600 rand to get their diploma. They've done a diploma for 600 rand from this platform. So I think it is a reliable platform. Most people will ask me, can you get a job in South Africa with these certifications? What I can tell you is, in most industries, especially tech industry, it's not about the certification, it's about what you can do. So what I can advise you to do is just bear in mind, when you do like your online certifications and online learning, what type of courses are you doing? Are you gaining any skill? Because it's very important. If the employer, they look at your skill, like at your skill set, what type of skills do you have to offer? So this first platform is Alison, Alison.com, and I know a few people who have done courses from Alison.com and they are currently employed. These people, they are in the tech industry. One of them is a software tester and one of them is a web developer. So Alison app, they have a variety of courses. You can find stuff from programming, education, management, marketing, what else? Yeah, like they have like quite a variety. And as I mentioned earlier, you can get the course material, so you can start even when you don't have the 600 rand to pay. It really depends, guys. It ranges, and they charge in euros. I've heard some people said they've paid like 50 euros for their certificate. Some have paid 20 euros for their certificate. So it really varies. I would say if you're South African and watching this video, just budget something between 600 and 1,000 rand, right? So let's move on. The second platform that I love, and it's absolutely free. This one is absolutely free. You would not pay a cent because it is sponsored by MasterCard. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, if you find value, please consider subscribing. YouTube tells me that 60% of people who watch my videos, they are not subscribed. It does not cost you a cent, but it helps me to be able to create this type of content for you. So please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and consider subscribing. Okay, let's move to ALXAfrica.com. ALX Africa is proudly sponsored by MasterCard, right? So you don't pay a cent here, but you need to go through some assessment so that they can see that you are fit for their programs. Guys, sorry, I need to check my mic again. Okay, sharp, so that they can see that you are fit for their programs. Guys, ALX Africa, as I've mentioned, is absolutely free because it is sponsored by MasterCard. They have a variety of courses, but their courses, they are only in the tech industry. At the moment, they are open applications for software engineering, full stack engineer course. That will be about a year. It's a 1-year course. Guys, this you need to commit 70 hours. So if you're already working, I don't think this one is for you. It's for people who don't work and they are not studying anyway, because you need to commit 70 hours a week, which is 10 hours per day. So don't play around on this one, guys, okay? So how this works, their deadline, please hurry, their deadline is on the 11th of January 2023. Hope you can get this video on time, but if maybe you are watching this video and the time is past, do not despair, because they always have opportunities throughout the year. But at the moment, the one that I'm talking about it will close on the 11th of January. So please hurry. The course will start in February. And then another course that they have is Salesforce administration. This one is really booming and it will open in February. The application will open in February 2023. And another one that they have is AWS cloud practitioner course. Also the applications will open in February 2023, right? But should you see this video maybe in May 2023, it's not a problem. Do not despair. Still visit the website alxafrica.com. You will study for free if you are from Africa. The third platform is edx.org. edx.org, they partner with various universities. One of them is Harvard. So one of their programming computer science programs is through Harvard. So when you register at edx.org, you will choose the subjects, you choose the partner. Maybe you want to do your software engineering, but you want to do it through Harvard, or you want to do it through IBM, you know, which is IBM is a tech giant, right? So it really depends on which partner, and then they will show you which program is there, and then you also choose the level and the learning style, like the learning type. Do you want the online version, of which I think those are the ones that are free, or do you want the in-person or hybrid, something like that, right? So with edx.org, I know one of their partners, sorry, is Harvard, which is Harvard University, but they have other universities as well, and they have a variety. They have a variety of programs. The learning type, sorry, will be like, do you want to do a program, do you want to do a course, do you want to do a boot camp, do you want to do a degree, or do you want to do executive education? So that's what learning type means, and it's all you find from edx.org. The fourth one is Project Odin. Project Odin, guys. Okay, before we move from edx, I've registered so that I can see how their process works, but I haven't seen anything that has to do with paying. But I'm sure maybe somewhere, somehow, you have to pay for something, maybe for a certificate, but I didn't see that. But please let me know in the comments below if you know anything about edx.org, if you've been part of their programs, if you've done any certification or boot camps through them. Do you know if there's something that you need to pay, right? Please let me know in the comments below. The fourth one, guys, is Project Odin. This one, I know people who have done programs, courses with them, absolutely free. You know, I've also registered, because guys, sometimes I have to register, go through the registration process before I can talk about something, before I can bring it to you. So I've done that, and there was nothing about paying for anything. But this one, Project Odin, it's only for web development. That's all they have. Okay, the next platform is called skillshare.com. This one is not free, but you can just be paying $24 per annum to access their courses, right? Or you can pay $2 per annum. This one, guys, is more on a creative side. Like, you can do things like video editing, animation, graphic design, photography, UX and IX design, and web development. So it's more on that side, but I think it's really worth it, right? You just pay $2 per month or $24 per annum. The next one is Udemy. Most people are familiar with Udemy. Udemy has a lot of courses: business development, marketing, design, and their courses are quite reasonable, guys. You can get a good course for less than 600 Rand. Some courses are even 300 Rand. So I really think it's something that you can look at. And for me, guys, personally, I think most of these platforms are good for you when you're trying to enhance your skills and you're trying to make the CV look better. You know, just want to acquire like certain skills, you know. But I know other platforms where, like your Alison and your Odin projects, whereby Project Odin, whereby people just did courses there with no work experience, and then they started building their portfolios, and then they got on jobs. Because again, in the tech industry, it's all about what you can do, not where you studied and what distinctions you have. It's all about what you can do. The employer just wants to know what you can do. So yeah guys, Udemy, it's a good platform. Okay, the next platform is Google Coursera. I've done a course from Google Coursera, free course. They have a lot of free courses in different areas: marketing, business, self-development, a lot of courses. Like, there's nothing you can find on Google Coursera, right? And they've partnered with universities. So obviously, if you want a diploma or a certificate or something like something more professional or advanced, you pay for it. But they do have free courses. I've done a free course with them, fundamentals of digital marketing. Honestly, for me, because I have work experience, the course was like, okay, it was too basic for me, right? But I understand it's free. Also, I think it was just a course that was really emphasizing on how to use SEO and Google Ads. But again, what do you expect? It's Google. But they have other courses where you can pay, you know, like your UX design courses and stuff, where you can pay like per month. But I really recommend this platform. If you are just starting out on something, just check out their free courses. They also partner with universities. I don't know if I've said that already. If you just want to check out something just to see if you like it or not, or you want to enhance your skills there and there, and then you do a free course. And then if you see that you like it, you want something more advanced, and then you can pay for it. So I think it's a win-win. The next platform, umuzi.org, it is a South African platform. Yes, it is a South African platform. They have in-person classes and also online classes. Again, with umuzi.org, it's a tech-based. This one is tech-based. It's not like you will find other things. So it's just tech-based, and they take, you know, South Africa. They only take people under the ages of 35. I think the ALX Africa. Yeah, ALX Africa is the same. They take people under the ages of 35, right? Another platform where you can learn for free is We Think Code, which is also South African. They have 3 branches in the big city: Durban, the city of Durban, the city of Cape Town, and the city of Joburg, right? Just go to their website and see what is their criteria. And what I love about these two, like Umuzi and We Think Code, you also have an opportunity to be placed for jobs if you are really good. Again, with them, We Think Code, it says like it's based on coding and stuff, you know. But umuzi.org, they have other programs that are not coding related, but they are still within the tech industry. And if you are really good, you will be placed in an internship or a job. So it's quite nice. And if you are South African, it is your lucky day. If you're not South African, sorry. Guys, please give this video a big thumbs up if you find value, and consider subscribing. So let's move to the last one, which is Khan Academy. Okay, Khan Academy is my last platform that I'm going to talk about. Khan Academy is absolutely free, but most of their courses is for people who are in high school, like primary, who are still in school, basically, like till grade 12. But they do have some courses for people who have left school. They have the courses around arts and humanities, and also programming, right? So do check them out. It's absolutely free, and if you want to donate, they are always, because it's a free organization, they are always looking for donations. And I know people who have done their schooling, they are based in South Africa, but they've done their schooling through Khan Academy online. And yeah, it's an interesting platform, but you can check it out. It's Khan Academy. Otherwise, guys, I have to end this video right now. Please give it a big thumbs up, a like, share, and yeah, just share it with more people that you think they might need this. And please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.